life, methinks. Yes, we are. All right, good. Let's keep on trucking. Because there's a lot to fix. Let's begin. Okay, let's go over here. Yeah, actually, we're going yeah, this might turn out to be a good function to extract and put somewhere else. Because I might just need it over here on the player as well. Yeah, let's extract this. Because I'm going to need this over at the ally. Right, it goes up here, I think. Right, here we are. So we'll just... Yeah, I might just do that actually. All right. actually going to make these part of the class. Can I do that using this? No. Just private them up here. Go. Right, you are. This should return a bool, actually. Yeah, this isn't used in anything. Or rather, it's added to, but never used outside of it, but, you know. We actually don't need this, do we? Now that I'm thinking about it. We just need this inside the function. Oh, it's actually used over here. Well... Yeah, we'll change this a little bit. It's fine. And that way we don't need this anymore. Yeah. That way we don't need to provide this. This is going to be renamed this. And this is going to be inside this. All right, let's change this a little bit because we don't need this now. Or rather, we don't need this as an input. We can just do this. And that's it. This should return a bool, yes, and we'll get to that. When we finish, we'll just return as neighbors dot count greater than 0. That means it's found something. so this shouldn't, and also this should be a vector 3. Go. Yeah, this should be good enough for now. Now we just need right, because this is that and it shouldn't be. So let's copy all of this, and over here do this, remove this. There. There. Okay. That's good enough. So that means that now Hi Angry Moose. Hello, hello. Yes, I am very focused and productive. Or trying to be. Which of the two I have yet to figure out. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Okay. Oh, right. That's true. I can do this now. Yes. Okay. Perfect. This ain't coffee. This is like very blurry tea water. But I'm a big fan of hot cocoa. Yeah, it's not, I mean, it's kind of like tea. It's not tea anymore because I've poured so much water into it that it's kind of diluted. But it was tea at one point. I'll have to make a new one soon. Good, good. Good to know that I'm not the only crazy out there. Okay, so I did all of this because I want to use this over on the player side, which I wasn't. So let's move this over to here, like anywhere is fine. we'll need to, yeah, we'll need to move all of those collections. Oh, yes. I totally forgot about that. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have to move a few things. So, let's... So we only need this. A best neighbors collection, because that's gonna be what we need. Right. All right. So. These are gonna move over to this side. And just paste them here somewhere. And move this also over here to our constructor, which is over here. There we go. There is one last thing we need to do, I think. Right. Okay. Okay, that's fair. Let's move this. Let me think. Because we always want to move a character somewhere. So yeah, that works. So we're gonna change this a little bit. Instead of a start, we'll do this. So character controller. Character controller, sure, why not? There we go. Now we're gonna use this. Over here. And that should be it. No more errors. Good. Oh, did I delete the wrong one? Let's do something. Because I'm always doing this and it's triggering me to no end. I will have to, at some point, streamline this, but for now, this stays. Oops. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. And that way we can call this without needing this. There. That's a bit better. Oh, but I'm gonna need it all over the place. No, why? Why did I do this? Oh god. I need to... I need to do this slightly differently. Because I'm always doing this. It's terrible. Okay, let's delete this. We'll manage. We'll manage. It's fine. Yeah, I think I'm just going to... Instead of this being in vector 2i, I'll just convert this. And that's the thing. That's fine. Yeah, because I'm tired of like always converting when I only need this for one specific place, and I can convert it over here. Like vector 2i. There. And you can stop pestering me about that now. God damn, because like I'm always doing that. It's just so dumb of me to do that. So let's see where this is used and just... Hi, Prophets! Thank you, thank you! Welcome! Be seated to witness my own misbegotten code. Good God. This thing is like giving me a headache. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I need to see where this is used. And it's gonna be wild. Oh God. Yeah, cause now everything's out of whack. Yes, it is a permanent headache for sure. I know this is gonna be like complete disaster, but that's okay. We can work through it. It's fine. Oh, also, what? Oh, okay. It wasn't using that before. All right, cool. But that's okay. All right, let's see. For example, here, instead of starting position, we don't need this anymore. Because we can just tell it to be the world position of the character. Yeah, go me. I should have done this like days ago. And I've always postponed it, and now I'm reaping the benefits of my silliness. But that's okay. All right. Yeah, see? Stuff like this. No. Okay, there we go. There. There. Should be good. Why did I do this to myself? It's so dumb. Okay, but I'm fixing it now. Please don't be mad. Programming gods, please don't be mad at me. I'm fixing my mistakes. Microsoft compatibility telemetry. What the hell is that? What are you working on? Or is that just a thing that's happening on your computer and you're trying to get rid of it? Don't question it, don't question it, don't question it. Ah, got it. Windows works in mysterious ways, I suppose. But yeah, I do feel your frustration. It's understandable. Okay, so hopefully that fixes part of it. See, I don't need to do this anymore. I can just target enemy, world position. Oh, this is the character. World position. World position. Eventually we won't need this anymore. Ah, there we go. Actually, now that I think about it, yeah, we'll just we'll just do it like that, yeah. Not that it's specifically needed, but might as well, I suppose. Cause like, yeah, I'll just make this like this so it's easier to manage. Yeah, that'll do. It's gonna give out errors over here, but that's okay. We can just do position, and instead of this, target enemy world position. Okay. There we go. There you go. And that means we don't need this anymore. Yes, perfect. Why did I do this to myself? There. Okay. There. Don't need this anymore. Good. I'm assuming this is a... Ah, okay. Then that's fair, I guess. Yeah, that's fair. We'll still need that. Oh my god, Joe, hi! Yes! Hi, welcome! How are you doing? Oh gosh, we haven't talked in so long. How are you doing these days? That is awesome. I wasn't expecting to find you around here. Okay, we can just do this and not need this anymore. That's okay. Hopefully. What is this? What am I looking at? Oh, I think I deleted it. I might have just deleted it. There. No more need for that. Really? Oh, that's awesome. Doing good, doing good. I'm working on this project of mine. This is like I can show you actually how the game is going. Just give me a sec, because like I think I just broke everything. But yeah, I am currently working on this project solo. Yeah, it's gonna be working. I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, this is like a kind of like base building / RPG kind of thing. You have your own party with people with several abilities and skills and stuff like that. And the idea is you go around settlements to get resources so you can build your own base and upgrade stuff and upgrade your people and defend your base from raids. That's the most important part. Yeah, and I'm working on it. I'll show you in a bit. I'm still, getting my bearings and all that. Because, like, ugh. Oh, yeah, hold on. I can just do this. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you in a bit. But if you want to check out VODs, you can certainly do that. Oh, I was doing this in several places. Okay, good to know I'm an idiot. I think I've heard of Nitrome before. Let me check, because now I'm really curious. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad to hear that. How is it working there? Are you enjoying it? Hopefully, yes. Okay, we can just clear this whole thing. Right, we don't need this anymore because, now we're grown-ups and we can just do this. And that's that. Okay, hopefully I can show you the project now or soon. Okay, it compiled. Oh god. Okay, it sounds like it's working. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah. Oh, we'll get to that. Like, this is the easy part. I'm just, reworking code, but when I get back to pathfinding, you'll see the blood, tears, and sweat, yeah. Oh, that's awesome! That is really cool. That's great. Good to hear that. So yeah, this is the game. I can show you what's implemented right now. So this is your base. The party is currently on top of it because you start over at the base. But here's the base. It's got nothing yet because I haven't worked on it. And right now you can't do anything because you don't have money. But that's where the rest of the game comes up. So the idea is you're actually controlling merchant caravans that go from your base to your allies. So that's what we do. We go from our base to our allies to trade stuff. And the stuff we trade is supposedly stuff that we create in the city, but also stuff that we find in the wild. Thank you. This is all like, this is all temporary. That's the word. This is all still temporary art, but hopefully I'll get to do art soon-ish. I don't know how soon that's gonna be. But I'm glad you like it, because it's not gonna deviate too much from this. We'll see. But yeah, this has a day-night cycle, so at night you're supposed to camp so you don't get raided or attacked by wild animals or stuff like that. And then when you're on camp, which is supposed to be this, it's supposed to be pretty, just, you know, you can have your characters do all sorts of activities. So you can hunt, you can gather herbs, all that sort of stuff. And with the passage of time, which you can see it appear, eventually it'll be a little bit better. And you can see in the world, like, when it gets dark and stuff like that. But yeah, you can rest for a few hours, and you get resources out of the resources of the wild. So, like, animals can be turned into meat, plants can be processed into herbs that you can use for medicine and stuff like that. That the medicine part is not implemented yet because, like, I'm still working on combat. We'll get to that. But yeah, these resources, you can then go on your allies, and eventually stuff that your city also creates, but I haven't gotten to that yet because I haven't done that yet. You can then visit neighboring settlements, which are these. They're supposed to be animated and, you know, fully built, not like just a placeholder image, but we'll get to that. And then you get to trade with them. So you can sell the resources that you gather and that you create in your own city for money, and for other resources that you can create on your own. And then you go back to the base and you improve it. You use that money and those other resources so you can improve your buildings and buy defenses for the city, because the idea is the city is constantly under attack from raiders. So you want to defend the city from raiders, buy defenses for it, stuff like that. Yeah, and the last thing I can show you, I'm just gonna show you one last thing, which is, now that I have money, you can buy stuff. So you can recruit people, and you'll see there's a lot of people in the party now. You can teach them skills, but eventually you'll also be able to improve buildings, build new stuff, all that. And what I'm working on right now is combat with the Pathfinder. Oh god, there's way too many people. Oh god, what have I done? This is bad. So I'm working on combat right now, turn-based. And I'm just working on it because pathfinding hates me, and I have to, yeah, it's a whole thing. I have to. I'm working on the pathfinding for this. Because yeah, it's been wild, but this is how the game looks like right now. Some 2-3-ish months of development if we put all the time together. And yeah, I'm hoping that I can get this ready by the next 2/3 months. We'll see. So I can get this on Steam Early Access. That's the idea, at least. We'll see if I can manage. And yeah, that's the thing. That's the game right now, as it is. It needs a lot of work, but yeah, I'm implementing a lot of the systems underneath so I can, you know, after that it's smooth sailing. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the whole thing. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Well, I try. I'd love to show a bit more stuff, but yeah, it's kind of supposed to be simple, but at the same time be a little difficult. The idea is that the difficulty ramps up, and there's a lot of stuff that I want to add to the game. I'm not going to commit to saying any of them because they might just not be feasible, or even, you know, I might not even be able to do that. But I've got a lot of ideas to make it like a small but enticing management game. Yes. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, right now I'm working on pathfinding because this thing hates me. Before I do any of that, I actually want to move this because I can't see any of this with a lot of characters. So I need to move that. Here we go. How big are you? I want to move you to this side, but I don't think it... Yeah, it's not gonna snap. 10-200. Oh yeah, but No, hold on. That's too little. No, stop. All right, that'll do. I think. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. I think that this is better. Yeah, pathfinding is like a whole thing. It's not supposed to be even that hard, but you know, it's just like small stuff that I didn't think about when I implemented it the first time, and now I'm paying the price for it, I guess. Oh, I really should fix that. But I mean, this is all debug stuff anyway, so it's fine. Okay, so that's a bit better. I like this better. Good. This is good. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Pathfinding sure loves to make, like, infinite loops with stuff, if you're not careful with it. Then the CPU cries. And fries. Both cries and fries. Okay, so let's fix, because like there is a problem. Let me just check if it's a thing. Yes, okay, so there is a problem where, well, it's not gonna be, I can't show you with this specific area, but with this one, I wanna attack like this guy. I should move here, but he's probably gonna do it from the top. See, like that. Hi, Nines. Hello. But yeah, you can't do that because there's a character in there. So no, that's wrong. Bad thing. Oh, give me a second, everybody. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Give me a few minutes. I need to go outside, hand over the keys, and I will be right back. So sorry about that. Someone forgot the keys. And I gotta go hand them to them. I'll be right back, everybody. I am so sorry, everybody. But keys have been delivered. We're back in business. I am so sorry about that. There we go. Okay, let's get back to it. Yeah, so as I was explaining before, that was the problem. Like, see, I'm pathfinding to attack this person. I can definitely go here and attack from this side, which I should, because there's a character over on this little position. But instead, this character is going to go straight on top of his ally and attack from there, which you shouldn't do, because, you know, I don't want people to just cramp up in a space. So we need to fix that. So we are going to fix that. And let's do that. So that's why I was moving all that stuff around, but we'll get to that. Okay, so we're just going to divide this. This is no longer going to be an or, because we're going to have to do things a little differently from here. At least I think so. Okay, before I do any changes, let me just check what I should do here. Because yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the thing. Okay, we're gonna change this a little bit. So when we do this, yeah, okay. Let's just, yeah, okay. I think I got a good idea of what I'm gonna do. Just need to check a few more things before I get started on it, but yeah. Because, like, we have the current position we're clicking on. And that's all fine and dandy. But that's not going to be enough, I don't think. Or maybe it is. Yeah, maybe it really is. Yeah, it might be. Let's just do this then. So we need to split walk from attack, basically. There we go. Because if we're attacking, we're now going to check the neighbors before, which was what we're doing here over on the AI. We're checking the best cost neighbor on the target. So we're going to do that over here as well. Oops. We're gonna do this. This is not supposed to be here. And neither is this, I don't think. There. But now we need to do things a little differently. So, like, current position is still going to be like the person's position, but instead of getting a path directly to the person, which is what's causing the problem, we need to get the best neighbor for that person. So we're gonna need an if here that is gonna encompass all of this. So this goes back here. There we go. We need to get an if on that, but that's fine. All right, so get best cost neighbor of target. So what this takes is the character that is going to go there, which is our current actor, the starting position, which is going to be the current actor world position, then the target, which is going to be our enemy's target, which is our mouse world cell, the range, which is currently 1. It shouldn't be 1. I need to do a... Because, like, I want to have, like, ranged weaponry, which is going to be ranged 2. But that's for another consideration for another time. So, now we need, pretty much like this one, we need a list for best neighbors. Which we're going to do here as well. And we're going to keep it. And do this. There we go. And then we can use this down here. And finally, out int best neighbor cost. I don't think the cost is going to be used. We'll get to that. Yeah, I don't think the cost is gonna get used, so that's fine. Okay, so with the AI, it's choosing a random one. In this case, we're always going to choose the first position it gives us. So we're gonna make a path towards that best neighbor and attack from there. Now we just need to make sure that instead of this, it's this. Because this is going to be the best neighbor. Because we're not recalculating the path. We already did that. So hopefully this fixes the problem. I don't think we're gonna need this anyway, so let's just do this. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe. I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm missing, but I think not. I think everything's good. Instead of calling this best path, yeah, we're just gonna call this path. I want to keep this consistent between classes just so it's not a... Yeah, this is just me being nitpicky with the code. That's fine. So yeah, it's just path. It's got a best neighbors collection, current turn, and that's it. Right, current position is current click position. Let's do it like that just so it's a little bit better understood what's going on here. All right, so we're good. So hopefully that shouldn't happen anymore. Let's see if that's the case. Let's have more people just so it's a little more chaotic and it's easier to test exactly that specific thing. So let me just go over here. Enter. Where is it? Here we go. Oh no, these are the enemies, right? I don't want enemies. I want our people, our own party. Where is it? Ah, here we go. 4. I think 4 is good, but let's make it 6. Just so it's a little more chaotic. We want a lot of people in here just so we can test all of this. Let's see. Okay. So for example, I could attack this guy, but I can't anymore. That was the problem we fixed yesterday. But now, the other thing I want to test out is, let's see, which one of these is, this is character 5, character 2. Oh, these are all going to act afterwards, so that's bad. Character 4 is this one. 1, 0. Okay, no, let's try that again. Okay. We got a good thing here. Character 2, but character 2 is the last one that's gonna attack. That's not good. We also have this, character 1 and 3. Should do, I think. Yeah, this should be good. Yeah, okay, let's stop this turn. Oh, crap. It attacked exactly the ones I didn't want it to attack. RNG, please. Okay. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's see. Character 3, which one is it? It's this guy. Okay, so this should be easy to test now. Okay. I should be able to attack this guy, but I can't do it from the bottom. Usually, with the pathfinding, the way it's set up right now, it always considers the bot himself first. So if this is not correctly made, if I didn't do a good correction, it should go on the bottom. But if I did correctly, it should go over here, which is the only space it can go to. And it's doing all sorts of stuff. What is going on here? What was that? That is weird. What is happening? Something is happening. I don't know exactly what, but something is happening. It's not even setting up the path, I don't think. All right. We'll have to see what's happening. But I need to set up the code a little differently. Where is that? Here we go. Give me a sec. Okay. Hopefully that helps us a little bit. And I need to find out what's up with that. Okay, here we go. Okay, something is happening here. I have to figure out what it is. Okay, let's click. So, what is this? Here we go. Okay. Character 4, yes. Which is who I'm controlling, so that's correct. Wants to go to a neighbor of 1, 4. Yes. Testing neighbor cell 1, 3, which is this one. It's occupied, so it's not good. 040 is not occupied. And the other one is also occupied. So this is the only one that it managed to get. Okay, so that's good, isn't it? What's the problem then? Let's see. It did return something. This should have something in it, doesn't it? Interesting. Why not? Well, guess it's debug time. We need to see what is up with that. Let me just close this instance here. I'll just run one. Okay. We don't need that anymore, I don't think. Okay. This should be doable, I think. Okay, let's test. I'm gonna attack this guy. It only has one possible option. So this thing should only have one option. 130. Correct. Okay. So that's the path. Okay. So that should give us like, it's like a one move. Path should be like one move. Where is it? It's the cell that we're at, 2, 3, exactly, to go to 1, 3, and that's it. Okay, that is correct. So what is the deal then? Uh-oh. No one saw that. No one saw that. So that was the problem. Hopefully that was the problem. We'll see. Okay, here we are. All right, so, here we go. I want to attack this guy. I can't go this way because I don't even have, like, movement points to get there, but I can attack from below. Correct. Go. Uh-oh. Okay, something is wrong here. What is it? Yeah, there's probably something I'm not considering here. What is this? Combat move. Okay, something is up over on the player choice. What is it? It's when I'm clicking, so it's this. Ah. No, hold up. No, that's correct. Yes. Is it not? You go over here and then you attack at that location. Interesting. Wait a minute, what was that? It's over here when we're moving. Target position. But I'm setting up target position correctly. Yes. I mean, hopefully, yes. Okay, let's put another breakpoint here and see what's up. Okay. Well, that is a terrible thing to test, but I'll make the best of it, I suppose. We don't need that anymore, I don't think. Move. Going. Okay, should be good. Alright, let's attack this person. It only has one possible avenue of attack, so this should be one position only. 3, 1. Yes, correct. Alright, so we're good. Now, yeah, here we go. Okay, so keep going. Again. Correct. So this should be 3, 1. Yes. So I want to move to 3, 1 from 4, 1. Exactly. Hold up. Combat actions. Where are they? Here we go. Target actors none. That's okay. Move from 4, 1 to 3, 1. It's correct. All right. Cool. And then you attack the other character. So that should be fine. It's in the move that is giving out the error, but why is that? Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep going. So now it goes here. Starting position is 4, 1. Should go to 3, 1. Correct. And now the path is like... Okay. The path should be 4, 1 to 3, 1. Correct. Path index is 0. That's fine. So what is the problem? I'm confused. But okay, let's just keep going. Okay, first time goes here. All right, so let's just... yeah, let's just go here. That's it. Okay, take that one off. Okay, so world position, which is 4, 1, should be path index 4, 1. Good. That's good. Okay. Then it goes here. I am confused. So this time it didn't give out an error. Then what was that? What? I am so confused. Okay. Let's make a few more tests. See if we can find anything. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Can't attack this guy. Correct. But I can attack this guy. Or this guy. Not that guy. Let's attack this guy. Correct. Okay, that's fine. Oof. I'm getting completely destroyed. All right, let's test that again. But it seems to be working. I don't know where that error came from, to be honest. Okay. Can't attack either of these because there's an ally there. But this guy I can only attack from one side. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Alright. Let's kill this guy. Just so we can test out different paths. I mean, seems to be okay. I'm kind of scared to say that because I don't know where that error came from. I think I saved everything. Like it must be like some sort of aberration or something. I don't know. Because I don't see a way where that would even fail. I don't think. I mean, whatever. So, can't attack this guy. Can attack this, not this, but this one I can from below. That's what I do. Good. Probably. Oh, he went through here. Okay. It's really weird when they go on top of each other because they all look the same. I gotta be really careful to see if... Okay, that's good. Wait, where did that guy go? Oh god, I have to fix that. I thought I fixed it. Are they going on top of other people? Hold on. Can't reach, correct. Okay, let's see what happened with this last guy. 2, 3, which is this guy. But there's already a character in there. Why did you go there, knowing that there was a character in there? Wants to go to a neighbor of 3-0, which is this guy. 3-0 is this guy. Okay, he wants to attack this guy. Okay, so he's testing out everything. 12. And 16 over here. Cannot reach now, stopping at 2-3. But 2-3 is occupied. So he shouldn't be able to stop at 2-3. He should stop before. Okay, let's see what's up with that. It's not going through here. Okay, let's do this. Or rather, hold on. I can just do this. I guess that's easier to do. Okay, let's stop this instance and start a new one. See what's up with this. Because there's something going on with this. Okay. Man, they do some really nasty stuff. Like, I'm thinking, oh, he can't attack from there, but then they go like, yes, I can. Okay, so he can't reach now. He wants to go... Wait a minute, what? What does he want to attack? Wait a minute. Who is he attacking? Attacking character 0 at 400. Okay, it's that guy. He can't reach it because there are allies in the way. He is currently at 2-2. Where is he going? What? What kind of path is this? He wants to attack at 4-0. They're both occupied. Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. I think I'm doing something wrong here, and I think I know what it is. Where is that 0-0 coming from? Cause like, what? What on earth happened in there? Okay, I think I know what the problem is, but zero, 0-0. That is a totally different thing. Okay, I think I got it. I think I know what's happening. But still, like, how did that happen? How didn't even he get... Oh, I know why. Because they're both occupied. So he never gets into this part here. He never clears the list. So the list is still... Oh my god. This is like... This is like demonic code. Why? Okay. That's okay. Cool. You know, cool. So that's what the problem was. All right. Yeah, because if he doesn't find any neighbors, if they're all occupied, this still needs to be cleared up before we go in here. Okay. Should be good now. Should have fixed that. Should fix that. We'll see. Okay, let's put it through the test. Let's make it a little difficult for them to move around. Oh, he still went on top of a character. He still went... Wait a minute. The first one was okay. The second one... Can reach. Can reach. Okay, it has to be only one, otherwise I'm gonna get confused. Because like they made a whole bunch of moves and now I'm really confused as to what happened. Okay, let's begin again. See if that doesn't happen again. Let's make this a little bigger. And let's move you up here. Okay. Can reach, correct. Actually, yeah, this is can reach, correct. Can reach, correct. Now this one can't reach anyone. You went up there. Cannot reach now. Oh god, I didn't see where he went. Damn it. I don't see where they go because I'm looking at the debug and they're moving at the same time. Stop. So yeah, we're just gonna change a few things here. So take the tab out of this. Let's actually make it like a little easier to spot. There we go. Okay. Maybe I'll just... No, but if I do that, if I lower the number of characters, then I can't test this. No, I can't do that. That is not feasible at all. Okay. Okay, 2 characters only moving. 12 and 13, which one? 12 is this guy, which shouldn't be able to move unless someone kills over here. Which one is the other one? 13? It's this guy. He might just come up here and kill this guy. Or he might just kill this guy, I don't know. It's all random now. But okay, let's not move and let's pray. Okay, this guy can't attack this guy, okay. And this guy went for this guy, correct. No. 6 is up. Let's do this so that 6 can't attack me. Oh, he can't attack from the left. Yeah, okay, fair. Okay, I think I'm just dead. Okay, but didn't anything... Everything seemed okay. Everything seemed okay in that particular instance. All right. Let's... Which one is 14? It's that guy. He won't be able to attack anyone. So this is a good way for us to check. Okay. Oh, he actually could attack that guy. I totally didn't see that. Man, this AI is brutal. It's not the AI that is brutal. It's just I'm not considering some stuff. Okay, which one is next? 12 and 8. 12 is this guy. He can attack directly below. And 8... Which one is 8? 8 is this guy. Let's make it hard for him. I mean, it's not gonna be hard. He's gonna reach anyway, but... Correct. Okay. 15. Which one is 15? It's this guy. He can attack pretty much anyone except this guy. That sucks. Okay. Can't reach now, correct. He moved on top of someone. It's this one. But 110. Okay. I need to check. I think I know what it is now that I'm thinking about it. But then again, it apparently... Okay, so... I think I know what the problem is. No! Oh god, okay. Because, yeah, path index cannot start at the end of the thing. Yeah, I think I know what the problem is. Because the problem is I'm checking from the end of the path. But I can't do that. I can't begin at the end of the path. I need to start at the end of where he can reach. Not the end of the path. Because the path could be like miles away and it's open. But the middle portions of the path could be occupied. And I need to check for that. So this is completely wrong. It can't be path count -1. I need to... Yeah, I need to do a second loop to find the path index to start. Path.count. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do here, this is no longer going to be the thing. Okay, we don't need to update it. Let's make this 0. Okay, chill. Chill code, chill. Okay, so as we do this, get actually, yeah, get final cost of path. No, actually, no. There we go. So we don't need this. There we go. Okay. Get the final cost of path index. Okay, it's just that. Okay, cool. So this should give me a float. Let's make it into an int. Oops. So now if this is greater than the current turn actor movement points, if that happens, right? So we just got to a point where the movement points of the character are exceeded. So we need to stop here. This is the stopping point. It's not the last thing. Oh god. Okay, so this means that we decrease path index because it's the we want, because we've already overbooked the movement cost. So we go one step behind and we break. And this path index should be the correct one and is the one that we start checking down here. There's probably a better way to do this. There's probably a better way to do this. But it's fine. Actually, I might just do something along the lines of creating a path with a certain cost associated with it. So if it gets to a point where the cost is like overflowed, like it just cuts the path at that position. But for now, we'll just keep it like this. It's a lot of for loop, but it should be fine. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. This one's probably gonna kill this guy, yeah. Kill one of these. This one. Now, this guy can reach from below. Yes. Okay. Hopefully that fixes that. Okay. Gonna kill this guy. Okay. Let's see. 6, 8, and 13. 6, 8, 13. Okay. They all can reach this guy, but one of them is gonna kill the others. So shouldn't be easy for them to do so. So this guy's probably gonna kill this one. This one can't reach anyone, I don't think. Crap, I didn't see where he went. Why? I should have looked at it. God damn it. I keep like trying to make the plays in my head and looking at the at the debug and just no. Okay. Let's make it difficult for them. Okay. He went over a guy. I'm pretty sure. Stopping at 1-3. Yeah, I need to do that. I really need to do that. I have to do that. It's just, I haven't gotten around to it. But yeah, I probably should work on that. Because yeah, teleporting to their position is certainly not good on my eyes right now. But he's stopping at 1-3, which shouldn't. Because there's a guy in there. Where is that line of code from? It's here. Thank you. Yeah, I'll probably have to move them gradually so I can understand what's happening. But it's here. Like there's something here that is just not. Okay. Let's make a breakpoint over here. Yeah, I think if we make a breakpoint over here and test, we should be good to go. Yeah. Oh no, I can run through here. Never mind. I gotta run through here. All right. That guy can reach the bottom guy, yeah. Oh, I'm dead. Damn it. Dang it. Again. I really need a reset button too for combat. Okay. Let's make it difficult for them, hopefully. That one, he can't reach anyone. He is at 2-4. What's the path? Where's the path? Path. 2-4. He wants to go to 4-3. What's at 4-3? Oh, it's the guy right below him, right? Well, no, not exactly below them, but yeah. Okay. So that means that path index right now is 3. Correct. No, wait a minute. What? Hold up. Path 2-4 to 4-3-0. Ah, he wants to attack that guy. What path is he taking? 2-4, 2-3. So he's moving down, then right twice, then up once. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. He wants to attack that guy. Okay, cool. So that's, yeah. So the movement cost of this will stop him here at 3-2 when he makes the right turn. Correct. So path index is correct. That is the path index we want to start from, because it's the last one he can move to. Good. Okay. But there's a guy in there. That's the problem. So he shouldn't be able to go into that cell. Okay, let's test it out. So that combat cell should be occupied by an ally. Yes, because it's attackable, walkable, and occupied by an ally. Yes. So because it's occupied by an ally, it should go for. And it's breaking. Oh, I think I know what. Not any. Yeah. Okay. Well then. Cool. Good to know. God damn it. I really need to make a few things. Is any of, yes, okay. Is not any, is not any, is not any. And this should go down here. Eventually I'll have to make this code for everything. But yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. What? Right, okay. All right, that should fix it. Please let that fix it. Is not any, is not any. Where was that? Is not any. There it is. Okay, good. So that was the problem. Hopefully it's fixed now. Actually, let's debug first so we can check out if it's truly fixed. All right. Just stay wherever you are. It's fine. Okay. Correct. Okay, that guy can't reach. He probably wants to go, well, to either corner, actually. There are enemies in both corners. So he wants to go to 0-1-0. Yeah, because like there's a person in there. So he's always going to move left. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, correct. So he can go up here. So he's here. 1, 2, 3. So he can stop here. He can attack because like he needs to move one extra space. But he can go here. Yes. But there's an enemy in there, an ally actually, because it's like they're both enemies, so it's supposed to be an ally in there for him. So because of that, he's only going to move one space. Because there's also an ally, there's an ally here and here. So he can only move upwards to here. So path index at the end should be 1. First ally, he can't cross. Second ally, he can cross. Now here, it should work. Yes. Okay, so path index is 1. Perfect. Okay, so apparently that's working. Don't need to test that anymore. And he moves there. Okay, correct. Good. Okay, so I don't want to cry wolf too soon, but I think our most of the initial pathfinding woes are fixed. Do I dare say that? But yeah, I think most of our pathfinding woes are done. And we can move on to other stuff. Let me just let me just make a few more tests just to make sure I'm not correct. Okay. Okay. Gonna attack this guy. Can go through here and attack this way. Okay. Seems to be good. I just want to make something to help with finding the guy in the middle of everything. Yeah. I had this before. I'm gonna enable it again. Just so I can see them better. Moving around, doing all the shenanigans. Oh, he actually doesn't stay there. He actually doesn't stay pink. Why not? I want him to be pink. Ah, it's this. Damn it. Dang it. Okay, let's comment this line. Copy and comment this line. And we're just gonna... If character is not knocked down, then we'll modulate him. Otherwise, we don't touch the color. That's a bit better. There we go. That fixes the issue somewhat. There. Hopefully that fixes that. Oops. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna lose. Okay. Let's get it. Let's try that again. lost. Damn it. I was hoping that they'd attack some other targets. So that they could stun lock themselves. Okay. That is correct. That is also correct. Good. Okay. I think it's fixed. Hopefully it's fixed. Please let that be fixed. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. We'll need a bunch of other stuff to work with this to make combat actually, you know, enticing and fun and stuff like that. Because like the visuals right now are not good at all. I'd like to make it with arrows, kind of like how other turn-based strategy games do it, but we'll get to that. Right now, all I'm worried about... Right now, all I'm worried about is trying to get this functional. But I have to make it look decent, too. Can't reach? Oh, he can reach. Oh, no, he can't. He has to stop here, right? This guy can reach. Okay. Okay. That's actually something I could make. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna... Because, like, I don't know where they're going, but I should be able to tell. So let's, instead of doing that, when we find out the path, pretty much like we do on every other thing, when we move, because, like, when we're moving here, yeah, we probably should do that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we clear the pathing layer, but we never set it. We set it during the player character, here, when we find a path. But we don't do it on the AI, and we really should, to make it a little easier to see where they're going. So, path gets calculated here. So we'll do here. I wonder if I should, if this should call this, yeah, I wonder. I'll have to think about it. But yeah. This is not technically correct. What was it? I think it's this. Yeah. This is if it's reachable, so we don't need to change anything. Yeah, let's see if this works. That'll help us a little bit to see where they're going. Okay, there's just one last thing we need to do, because they're showing it after a bit of thinking, and that's okay, actually. I guess that's okay. I guess that's okay. For now, at least. But eventually I'll have to change this because this is just not... It doesn't help to move at all. Like, users are gonna be so confused. Yeah, this works for now, I think. Yeah, and the pathing layer should also be on top of the characters. It should be, like, less visible, because, like, there's a lot of stuff. Like, it occupies most of the cell. It shouldn't. It should just be, like, a small edge, like an arrow. But right now it occupies most of the cell, so being on top of it means you can't see half of the screen half of the time. And that's bad. There we go. That is brutal. They're opening up spaces for the others to go next. Damn. See why this AI is vicious. I am going to do one more thing before I stop touching all of this. I want, like, I probably won't use it at the start, or probably not for the lowest difficulties. But there definitely needs, like, AI definitely needs to find, like, the worst off, or, like, the best cost path to go somewhere, or to the best enemy, like the least movement it needs to do to go to a certain enemy, or like an injured enemy. Like there's so many possibilities to what they can choose their targets with. They can choose by distance, they can choose by health, they can choose by a bunch of other stuff. Good, he stopped at the correct place. That's good. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff I can make out of this. Actually, now that I think about it... Yeah, I am going to do that. And instead, I can just do this. So that should be... Yeah, let's do that. Let's make a function to do this, to get a good stretch out of our thing. So like, instead of copying this code twice, we actually want to just be visible once. So that's, yeah. And we're actually gonna change path directly on this. But okay, let's just Hi Sockhouse! How was your stream? Did you manage to get those vending machines working? Or are you still struggling with that? Because I know you were struggling with that this morning. Yeah, it's a whole thing. It's got down bad. Although I managed to solve a few issues, so we're actually progressing today. It's not that bad. But yeah, it is a whole thing. So let's... No, we actually don't... Cool, awesome to hear that. Yeah, I mean, we spend a lot of time refactoring stuff, but most of the time it's worth it. So hopefully it is worth it. We don't need this path index for anything else, do we? Because if we just do this... So... no. Stop. Trim path. To... No. To possible. I hate this name. God. I hate this name. I hate it. But yeah, we're gonna keep it like that for now. Okay, so we're just gonna do this. And we're just gonna... That. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. This is gonna be void. Or actually, should I do that? Yeah, we'll just do that. That's okay. So instead of returning path index, we'll just path remove range path index. Oh, wait a minute. Is the index gonna count? No, okay. I need to hold up. I need to see if it accounts for the first one or not. For the index I give it list remove range. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it does remove the one. It removes starting from this index, including this index. Okay, so we're gonna do this. And now the count. Let me just check something, because I believe. Isn't there a function that does that already? Well, oh yeah, okay. So there isn't. It has to be this path.count minus path index plus 1. Okay. Hopefully that's correct. I'm not making a huge mistake here. But yeah, all right. So we remove the path until it's possible. I really don't like that name, but we'll manage. Let's see if this is correct. Yes. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm gonna go down here, yeah. Down here. Okay. Down here. Yes. Down here. Oh, so I'm just gonna get wrecked. Okay. Cool. Man, these enemies are brutal. Okay, this guy can reach this one. Okay. This guy can't reach. Uh-oh. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, what is the problem? Yeah, I do need to check that. I do need to check that. I know what it is. I know what it is. It's over here. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Because, like... Okay, hold up. I'm gonna make a debug here. Because I have to set this up. I can't just remove it. I have to check. But, I have to check a few things. Dang it. Okay. Man, this damn AI is just wrecking me. Stop. I need to put up more, Okay. I need them to not find a path, but they're always finding a path. Okay. Oh no, that one still has a path. Dang it. There are too many of them. I made this really hard on myself, but I have to, because otherwise the pathfinding won't be stress tested, I guess. I'm in a really bad position here. Yeah. I'm in a really bad position here. You guys should see this. This is great. I'm always getting wrecked. It's great. Okay, let's get a few out of the way. Let's get a few out of the way so they don't kill us anymore. I mean, hopefully we can get it. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, who is 12? 12 is this guy. He's gonna kill me. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm dead. Stop it. Okay. I need for them to kill like one side of the board and leave the other side alone. So they'll be super far away and won't be able to reach me. That guy can reach me. Dang it. I keep forgetting. I need a key to reset this inside the game. Otherwise, I'm gonna be here all day. Yeah, right now they get completely rocked. I probably should do something like that. That was next on the list. I have to give them HP. Otherwise, this is gonna take forever. But yeah, I really need to give them HP. Because right now they don't even have HP. Right now it's just, oh, you touch me, I die. That's it. That's the whole thing. Okay. No, but that guy's gonna kill that one. Okay. Okay, fine. Fine. I'll give you HP. God damn it. Alright, I'll give you HP. You won. You won. You silly AI. Yes. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so this should no longer. Okay, but let's just public int max health. All right, health max health current. Okay. Let's give them like basic health. Like all of them have the same health right now. So health current is gonna be 10 and health max is gonna be 10 and that's it. 10. Okay. So this gets out of here. Yeah, this was the to-do I had, so bye to-do. No more of you. Okay. So all we need right now, but we can add like a public knocked down. It's just gonna get return health current. There we go. Oh, yeah, this is a bool. Yeah, my mistake. Okay, cool. Good. Okay, so that shouldn't interfere with anything. But there is one thing I need to do. Yes, so this, yeah. When I attack an enemy, current health, take out 1. Add weapon damage, etc. Yeah, Okay, so we need to do that, but so we'll just decrease it by 1. Okay. Now, let's test. It's like, yeah, get out of here. I love adding features to test bugs. It's great. My dream come true. Okay. I need to add like an HP bar somewhere. Yeah, but yeah, right now we won't do that because I'm not very interested in their HP, to be fair. I'm just interested in them getting stuck. Okay, there we go. So, path index is 3, which is this. So it should remove from 4 to 6. 7. Oh. I am a dum-dum. So that was the problem. I could have easily seen that, but you know. I could have easily seen that, but you know, I had to like do a bunch of other things. I think we killed this guy next turn. Yeah, probably 10 HP is probably a little too much. Dang it, he's still not dead. I actually killed that one. Okay, I managed to kill a guy. Go me. Okay, eventually they'll run out of spots to attack people. So they will have to they'll have to, so for example, this guy is now cut off. He can't attack anyone. Let's see what he does. Good. Okay. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted him to do. So yeah, apparently it's working. It's all good. Yeah. All right. We managed. Let's make... Where is he going? Oh, does he want to attack from below? Is that... What? Oh. Interesting. Because, like, it could have easily gone here. I wonder why he went down. Interesting. Let's see. Cannot reach at all, stopping at 4-1. Oh, because it probably wants to attack a different character. That's why. He wants to attack at 1-0. He wants to attack this guy. Okay, it makes sense that he would stop there. He's probably doing this. Yeah, he's probably going this way and stopping over here. Although he could technically walk one more down here. I need to account for that, actually. Because, like, you would be able to move one further down if he went this way, and then it'd reach him by next turn. But maybe not. Maybe, you know, maybe that is the way they think. Okay, that's good. Let's do a few more enemy sorting things. So right now we get the first reachable enemy and the first healthy enemy. But we want something a bit more refined than that. Let's rename these. So they'll all get... So, okay. Let's get the closest enemy. And for this guy, it's gonna be a little different. Go. Actually, find all. Yes. So we want to find all enemies that are not knocked down. Yes, we want these. All enemies that are not... Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Never mind. So yeah, we want this. We still want this, so we want all enemies that are knocked down and attackable. Although, no. Attackable... Yeah. No, let's not do attackable. Because, like, we want the closest, but that might mean that it's too far away still to attack, so no. Go. go. So now, what is the problem? Did I not close something? I didn't. Yeah. Eesh. There we go. Okay, so we want the Manhattan distance, I think. We want the Manhattan distance between our character controller and the enemy position. There we go. Now, if the distance to current enemy is less than, let's call this best distance or closest distance. Oops, what am I doing? No, no, stop. There we go. Then closest distance becomes distance to current enemy, and closest enemy becomes enemy. There we go. And then you return the closest enemy, and that's it. There we go. So we're good. This is the closest enemy. Now we want to do something. We want to do two things, actually. Get enemy reachable lowest health. So we're going to get all enemies that are knocked down but are attackable, which should be down here somewhere. Where is it? Here you go. And attackable. So that's going to give us a lot of enemies. No, all the reachable enemies. So from now with this, we're going to get the guy with the lowest health. So, lowest health. Yeah, and lowest enemy. There we go. So, enemy health. Let's make this a little easier to read. So, we don't care about this. We just care about the enemy. Oops. Health current. There we go. Cut it out. Need this. And we return the lowest enemy. Okay, good. For the last one, where is it? Here we go. We already have the reachable with lowest health. We already got the closest. Exactly, the closest enemy. We can make the default be actually the closest with the lowest health, actually. Because that way he'll always pick like a weak enemy, and by closest, he'll always get an enemy that is within range if possible, like since we're getting the closest. All right. Get enemy closest with lowest health. Yeah. It doesn't matter if it's attackable or not, that's fine. Okay. Closest distance. Ah, there's a thing now. Which one is more important? Being lowest health or being closer? Being closer, because we already have reachable lowest health. So that's probably what we should do, actually. Let's just get the guy with the lowest health. And that's it. Not the closest, just the lowest health character, not reachable. So it's pretty much this. I'm probably gonna have to delete a few of these later. Okay, let's just get the guy with the lowest health. There we go. And we don't want attackable this time. Yeah, absolutely. It'll be a nightmare. But we'll manage. We'll need to make good debug tools for this, I feel. But yeah, it is going to be... It's going to be something. It's going to be quite something. Okay, so we're just going to get the lowest enemy. And now on our AI... This is going to be brutal. Like, this AI is going to be like... It's going to kick our ass. So we'll get enemy... reachable with lowest health, and if he can't find that, yeah, I probably should. Yeah, I definitely should make some testing suits for this. Eventually, I'll have to start thinking about it because, like, I definitely need to automate the testing for this. Like right now, I'm just running the game because it's fun to see them all walk around, but there's gonna get to a point where I just wanted to get it over with and see if it works or not. I don't wanna, watch the same animation like 5 bajillion times. Okay. Lowest health that I can reach. If I can't reach anyone, just get the closest enemy to me and try to get there. Okay, let's see. I'll need to implement HP bars for these characters. Let's make their health a little lower, because right now their health is like stupid high and they take way too long to kill. Let's just make it like, what, 2? Like, they take 2 hits and they die. That should be good enough. Okay. That's another thing I need to do. Like, I want to attack this guy, but when I do that, I want to be able to choose where I attack him from. Yeah, that's the thing I need to do, actually. Because, like, I can reach here too, and it would probably be more advantageous to attack from here, because like these allies could attack from this side as well. I need to implement that. Because like AI can just attack from wherever, they don't care, but okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. All right, good. Should be good. Should be good to go. Yeah. Let's actually do that now that I think about it. So when we're choosing the character to attack, we can do that. Let me just check. I think we can do this really easily. So when we choose someone to attack, instead of doing this, like we can set an initial path, but we'll give it like options. Okay. Let's do that. So when we're doing this right now, we're getting all neighbors and then just getting the best cost. That's good for an initial thing, but I want to give the player the option to target any position that it can. So best cost is still fine, like it'll find the one with the best cost. Because I believe the AI is going to use this too. So that's probably still going to be there. That's fine. But I want this. I want this. Okay, let's make a copy of this. Get reachable neighbors of target. There we go. And we're not going to make a path for it. So just instead of best, this is going to be reachable. There we go. So this is no longer useful. I just want the reachable neighbors. Actually, let's get this out of the way. This is like confusing me a lot. Get out of here. All right. Right, so instead of this, we don't need costs anymore. Or actually, no, we do need the cost, now that I think about it. Yeah, we do need the cost, but not for this. So if the cost to current neighbor is lesser or equal than the character movement points, then that means it's reachable. So you just add to it. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's the, like, we don't need anything else. Where did it go? There we go. There we go. That should help a little with organizing code. Okay, reachable. So here, get this out. And that's it, I think. So now, what we're going to do is, besides getting the best here when we're choosing, we're going to keep a list like that. that when we do this, we do all this. Yes. But now we also want reachable. So this is going to be pretty much same as up here. So let's just copy this over. Except, yeah, some of these things are not going to be useful. So we'll just, yeah, we don't need the last one. This doesn't exist. And this is going to be attackable, attack options. I do hope I reset attack options once I get into that function so I don't make the same mistake I did the other time. Yeah, I hope I don't make that same mistake. Reachable neighbors, clear. Okay, perfect. Okay, good. Yeah, so these are our attack options. And we're also going to set pathing on those. Is this? I think this works, but I'm not sure because I don't know how the tile set would work for this, something like this, because they're all going to be disjointed. I don't think it's going to work on disjointed, but yeah, never mind. Should be good enough. All right, so instead of checking this now, so initially, oh yes, so initially this is gonna be, I have to do this, so new, I have to clear it when I enter. No, I actually don't need to clear that when I enter. Or do I? No, I think I do, actually. Because I need to check against it. So yeah, I need to clear this. So we're gonna clear this when we enter. Oops. Okay. Now, before doing this, yep. So, in here, we're going to need something a little different than what we're doing right now. If we click on one of those attack options, we need to change our path. But only if we're attacking someone. So let's do that. So if mouse world cell. No, actually, I think I can just go to attack options and contains. Yes, okay, good. If it contains that, is this not a... yeah, it's gotta be this. Okay, so we're setting the path to a different thing. Hello, the one and true God. Welcome, welcome, my liege, to this humble stream. How is it going? Welcome, welcome. Good, good. Glad to hear it. Yes, yes, you are my liege. Please don't smite me, okay? Just, I am but your humble servant. Cool, cool, awesome. Awesome to hear that. What are you working on? I just remember that. I wanted to ask that. I'm sorry about that. Mm, dang it. Cool, cool. Hi, Tomat Salad. Hi, welcome. Hi, hi. Welcome, welcome. Y'all should definitely go visit Tomat Salad's stream because he's doing some very cool stuff. I don't know how to do shoutouts. I need to work on that. How do I do that? Oh god. I have to get that on the weekend. On the weekend, I'll get some shoutouts going. But go follow Tomat Salad. He's pretty cool. And he does some cool stuff. If you want to plug your own stream and your page, you feel free to do that. Because I have yet to figure out how shoutouts work. That's a new thing for me. I have to figure that one out. But feel free to plug your stream more, pages, whatever you need. Okay, here we go. Well. Is it kind of like that? Ah, I see. I had, when I streamed, a bajillion years ago. No, it was 7 years ago or something like that. Oh, God, it's been a while. But yeah, when I streamed back then, I did have a bot, but I have to get back to learning how to do that again. Oh yeah, I didn't show you. Yeah, I can show you for sure. This is a base building / RPG. So I'll give you the whole spiel, just like I do usually. So you have your own base and your own party of heroes with their own stats and stuff like that. The idea is you have your base, which is this building below the character right here. And you visit neighboring settlements with merchants so you can get resources. When you get those resources, you can improve your own base. And you get resources from various ways. Initially, right now, the only way to get resources is when you camp at night. And you can tell your heroes to do stuff. So you can tell them to hunt, to gather herbs, to craft stuff in the middle of the night and stuff like that, which is what these buttons are here for. Eventually this will be a little bit better, but yeah, the idea is they can do all sorts of activities when they're camping, and they make resources out of things. And then you visit neighboring settlements, which we'll do right now. But we need to make camp first, because this has technically a day-night cycle, but it's just not visible yet. I'll have to work on that eventually. But yeah, so the idea is you have your own merchant group, and you travel to cities. I have to make camp exactly on top of the city. Perfect. And you visit cities, which will be bustling and filled with people, and not like this. This is just a static thing. And you trade with them. You sell your own resources, you buy other resources. So the idea is that some towns will provide you with resources that you don't have. And then you use your resources to improve your base. Because your base is going to be constantly attacked by enemy raids. So the idea is you want to fortify your own base so that they survive, and you know, you keep your people alive. And yeah, so then this is your city. It's also static right now, so you can do a few things. None of this is going to be in the final game, but eventually you'll be able to like improve buildings, build new buildings, improve your heroes, recruit new heroes, and stuff like that. And yeah, so during the road, you may also get attacked, which is what I'm working on right now, which is combat. So this is combat. It's turn-based. It's a mess right now because I'm testing a lot of things, so there's a lot of people here when it shouldn't be, and the map is way too small. But yeah, it's turn-based. It's strategic stuff with turns and stuff like that. Turn-based combat. Yes. So the idea, like initially, there isn't that here right now, but yes, the idea is that you will also want to defend your own allies because they may also get attacked, and if you lose an ally, you lose precious resources that they would provide you. So yes, that will be later down the line, but yes, that is something that I'm taking into account. Yeah, so that's it. That's the game. That's the whole thing. Thank you. I'm glad you think so. Thank you. Do you have a place where I can check the game you're working on? Or is it still like in the works and you don't have anything to show for yet? Feel free to plug it in. I'd love to check it out. Oh, it's on Steam. Yes. I'd love to check it out. Post a link so people can... Oh, okay. Got it. But if you have somewhere that we can check the game out, feel free to post it. Sure. I mean, if you don't want to show, that's fine too. Like, I'm just, giving you the opportunity. Yeah, see, like, we help each other out, so it's fine. But maybe it's not launched yet. Maybe it's on Steam, but it's not launched. Maybe that's it. Okay. Let me check. Oh, you're planning to release in a year. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. I see. Okay. Very nice. That's pretty cool. How far along would you say you are in the game? Like, in the development? Because, like, I've noticed that you still have a lot... from the date, at least, you still have a lot to go. Yeah, I feel you on that. Okay, I got it. But that's pretty awesome. Nice. Very cool. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Just to keep you up on that. This is it. This is the thing for now. Like, eventually it'll be a little better than this, but we try over here. Nice, thank you. Do you also stream your game development? No, I'm curious. Ah, I see. Got it, got it. Do you have like a schedule for it, or is it just when you feel like it? Oh, yes. Got it, got it. Okay, okay. Fair enough. I mean, it depends on, it varies from person to person. I find that streaming helps me focus a lot better. I don't know why. It's just whenever I'm streaming my development, I don't feel that urge to like split myself in 10 different things during the day. I'm streaming, so I have to focus on making the game. So to me, it helps out a lot. Ah, I know what I was doing. I'm smart. But wait, shouldn't I? Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Okay, cool. So let's just extract this and set new attack position. There we go. And it's not gonna be that. No, it's gonna be this. Because from what I remember, let me just check something. This isn't even used, is it? Oh, it is used over there. Okay. Well, there. Yeah. I mean, I'm with you, Tomatala. It helps me a lot, like going through game, because like when I'm usually developing on my own, like sometimes I focus when I'm working on something that that I can do very quickly, or like that I am like focus geared to do. It's easier to stay on track. But sometimes you get to that spot where, things are just not going your way. And, oh my God, it will take forever to debug this. And, when I'm alone, sometimes I get those things and I'm like, I'm just going to check something for 5 minutes and then continue. And then those 5 minutes turn into like half an hour or something. And it's bad. It's really bad. So yeah, streaming helps a lot with that. Like I can't do that. I just have to stay focused on the thing. Like do the thing. It sucks, but you have to do the thing. Okay. So this is gonna be this. Yes? Yes. Good. Where am I setting this, actually? Oh, it's down here. Okay, cool. So hopefully this works. Oh yeah, yeah. There are certainly features that take a long while. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Wait, what is this? Oh. Okay. Hmm. Because, like, this is the current target. Let's not make it click position. Let's make it target. Because, like, click position's just... it's not a good name for this. That's the current target. Yes. Okay. So, current target. The current target is going to be our enemy. So, if we click on an attack option, we don't change our current target, but we do change the cell we want to go to. Okay, good. All right, cool. Why did I make current target that? Wait a minute. Because, like, I'm trying to think of why would I do that? Okay. Let's make it easier for us. No. 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 Do not. Let's do it like this. And now we're gonna have to change a few things. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, we just need to reset this thing down here. We should be good to go. Correct? Yes. All right, good. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. Otherwise, this is this is gonna take a while. Okay. Oh, okay. No, I need less enemies now. Because I don't have that many options to attack someone. Okay, let's make less enemies. Because otherwise, it's gonna be a mess. Enter. Here it is. Let's make it like what? What did we have before? Let's make it 4. 4 enemies is more than enough. And over here, we can just, no, it's this one. I always confuse the two. Close enough. Let's make our party like 4 too. Yeah. Let's make them 4 as well. Oops. Okay. And we start with a bad thing right at the beginning. Cool. Okay. Oh, good. This is good. Why is that one? Oh, okay. I know why. I mean, technically you're not supposed to leave during that, but that's fine. Okay, so this guy, I can attack from here and from here. So, yeah, I need to mark this with a different color, I think. But yeah, let's assume that it takes probably this one because this one's at the top. So this is probably the other one. So let's click that. Click the guy. Okay. It's not very visually compelling. Like we still need to, we still need a lot of visual clarity up in here, but This is good. This is good. Which one is 3? 3 is this guy. Okay. Let's give him options. So let's just attack this guy over here. Okay. So here, he probably wants to go down. So the pathing is telling him to go down. But I actually want to attack from here. So I'm going to click here. And attack him. Okay. Something went wrong with that. What is it? Okay. The path went haywire for some reason. Wait, what is that used in? Oh, there it is. Okay. But the path... I'll have to debug this. Because I don't think I'll be able to find it out through that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can attack this guy from multiple angles. So let's go with that. So I can attack from here. E goes from 2-0. Oh, I can't check right now. That's fine. 2-0 to 2-1. Is that it? 2-0 to 2-1. Oh yeah, because that's the first one he finds. That's correct. Yes, that's exactly it. Yes. So that's good. So he gets a new path, which should just be 2 slots. Path. There it is. Yes. Okay, perfect. So we got a new path. We actually don't need this except the first one. Like when we're attacking first, when we're setting a new attack position, like sure, it can be here. Like hopefully, like I don't think it breaks anything, but I'll have to think about it. But hopefully this shouldn't, I don't think this should like be detrimental to whatever we're doing. So, okay, fine. Right now, our attack options are nothing, because this is the first time we're choosing a spot, but there is another place we can attack, which is 3-2. Correct. 2-1 is where we're going to right now. So we're here. Okay. So far, so good. Let's get it. Where's the game? There it is. Now, we want to go this way, so we're going to click. Our path should now be a little different. So our path, okay, that's correct. Good. So we set the pathing to that. The neighbors, 2-1 and 3-2. This shouldn't change. Like this is not supposed to like be here because like we already calculated those and it's just going to give us the same results and it's just hogging resources for nothing. But for what it is, it's fine. So we changed our position and we're leaving. Okay, good. Now we're going to click on the guy and he should move up and attack. Okay, good. So what was the error that it was giving me? That's the weird part. So here, we also have the same thing. So we have 2 options, up and down. We attack the guy. Path. Oh. The attack position is 2-1-0. And I'm at 4-2-0. It didn't give me a path. Why didn't it? It should have. Like, shouldn't it? Like, am I crazy? Why is it not giving me a path? 420 to 210. Okay, let's see. It does that. What happens? Yeah, something is wrong with this. It's not giving me a correct path to the thing. Which is weird. Why is it doing that? It's clearly reachable. 210 and 230, and I am here, 420. 1, 2, 3. I should be able to reach here and here. But it didn't give me a path. Why not? It wasn't able to reconstruct the path. Why not? Let's find out. Let's try and click here. That's fine. Okay, let's try attack the guy again. Okay. Goal is 210, start is 420. Okay, so what is the problem? So the path. Three, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. So it goes one down, and then it should go left twice. Oh no, it actually goes through the ally, but that's fine. Sure, it can do that. I mean, why not? It goes one left, one down, one left. Okay, cool. So that's fine. And the path is going to be that, so that's correct. Wait, why is it calling it all these times? Okay, good. Okay, something is definitely not correct here. Okay, let's try that again. See what's happening. Let's click somewhere different. Okay, attack. Okay, let's, instead of that, let's return here or here. So like, it's the only two return spots. Okay, path is this, correct. It's asking for the path again. Why? Four, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 3, 0, 2, 3. So this is the path for the other one. Get neighbors of target with the best cost. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So it gives us 2. And chooses the first one. Okay, that is correct. Right? Because this is going to be 210 and 230 because they're the exact same cost. So that's correct. Cool. So we're going to set a new attack position on that spot. So we're going to get path from 420 2, 2, 1, 0. So we're going to reconstruct that path, which is this. Oh boy. Okay, goal is what? 2, 1, 0. What? What do you mean? I think I know what the problem is. Right. Yeah, I know what the problem is. Okay, good. Okay. I think I found out what the problem is. So that should be okay. Okay. So we don't want to get the path immediately over here. Or even on the player. Yeah. We don't want to get a path, I don't think. Or, I mean, we kind of want to get a path because we want to render it. But over here, when we get the neighbors with the best cost, we don't need to get a path. Where is it? We're calculating a path when we shouldn't. We just need this. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That was the problem. Because like we were recalculating and it was like screwing everything up. And same thing here. Actually, now that I think about it, let's, instead of doing that, yeah, comment this, just do this. I don't think we're even using this anymore. Yeah, we're not using this because we don't need to. Like, we don't need to use this. We're just calculating. It's fine. So when we're getting a path from one position to the other, that should no longer be a problem. Because like I was calculating it midway. That's why it was all screwy. Okay. You can attack this guy from here or from here. I want to attack. He's going to choose this path, but I want this path instead. Okay. Attack. Good. Okay. We're onto something. We're onto something. I want to attack this guy. I can go through here, but I can also go through here. Here or here. Here or here. Go up and attack. There we go. Okay, good. We nailed it. Same thing here. We can go either up or down. Let's go up and attack the guy. Okay, like this needs a lot of visual clarity and UI, which I'm not doing right now, but yeah, I definitely should. Because like I can attack from where I am, or I can go here, or I can attack this guy from here. No, from here, and attack, and bam, it happens. Okay, good. There's a lot of visual clarity needed here. I feel like most of this stuff is not in by any sort of metric. Oh, he makes the same path. That's fine. Attack from up. There we go. Attack from here. I can also attack from up. And he can't see the path very well because there's dead people on top of it. But yeah. Just bam. I think I'm gonna die actually. Oh no, I'm not. Okay, I made it. Let's go down, just so we can test. Hey, okay, good. Okay, good. We're onto something. Good. We're good. We're fine. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. All right, so we did another thing, which is nice. Okay, good. Let's just review a few things before we commit to some of these things, because, you know, as it is right now, it's okay. But yeah, this needs a lot of UI, a lot of visual clarity to work. Right now, it's just, I click on stuff and stuff happens. And, you know, while that's okay, it's not... For the end user, it's a nightmare to figure out. Like, he'll never figure it out on his own. So I'll have to do some UI for this later. I'm probably gonna keep it as is right now, just for me, but when I release like a first playable or like a alpha or something, I guess that'd be the wording for it, or like just a testing demo, I'll need to add a lot of UI so that gets a little bit easier for people to manage. Okay. Now that we're done with that, yeah, we're already done that. I'm going to increase the range that they can move, and I'm going to increase the size of the map. And hopefully this doesn't break horribly. Let's go to the character controller. Movement points, I'm going to set it to like, I don't know, 10. And let's make the size of the combat arena the default that it was before I started testing this, which I believe was 14 by 14. I guess that was it. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can move over here. I can attack this guy, actually, from here or from here. It's both the same path. Let's attack from below. Okay. You know, being in a big map and let them do, like, longer walks definitely adds to the readability of what's happening, for sure. Let's kill this guy. I can actually go here. Oh yeah, I can do this, yeah. But I can also go up, here. Yeah, I'll need different things to symbolize these things. Like, these are attacking positions, so they should be like, I don't know, red or something. And the movement should be like, I don't know, I guess the default is blue, but yeah, I'll need to change the colors of these things so that people know what they're clicking on. Let's go from here. That's one thing I haven't tested. I do need to test this. Let's see. I want to attack someone from a different position, and then I want to move somewhere, and it should work. Okay, good. Let's attack from here. Go. This guy is 100% gonna die. Oh, and this one's gonna die too. Oh, damn. I'm actually gonna lose. No, the turn order screwed me. But okay. This is fine. This is a bit better. I'll need to make the combat map a bit more lively than what it is right now. But yeah, the whole visual thing, it still needs a lot of work. I'll have to do the tiles for all of this, which is gonna be a fun stream to make. Like the whole the tile sets and the characters and everything like that. Yeah, that's gonna be wild. Okay. Yeah. Let's just check on a few things before we stop working on this. Yeah, we do need some sort of way to check their health. I could work on that. Okay, but first things first. Okay. Let me check out a few things. I selected a place to go. Then I want to go here. Okay, and it works. Hopefully this is all above board. Yeah, I guess tomorrow I'll work on the readability of this. So like when you click a character, you can see their ranges both for attacks and for movement. I'll have to work on that. And also I could implement ranged weaponry, now that I think about it. It's not that hard. Yeah, I'll probably do that right now. I'll implement ranged attacks and see if it's still working. Hopefully, I made this like flexible enough that I should just change a few values here and there and it should work. So let's see. Oh, I already have this. Okay, good. So the weapon. I won't have a way to check, so this is just gonna be like it's just a way to check. Random. Right. Oh, it's next. Okay, next. 1, 2, 2. Wait. It's less. Wait a minute. Exclusive upper bound. Exclusive. Okay, so it needs to be 3. Okay, because I went between 1 and 2. Okay. I don't want it to be like this. This is not supposed to be random, but for now, we'll keep it like that. Actually, let's make something. Yes. So, ranged characters will have different appearances, just so I can test and see, like... So, on our entity manager, when we're creating the character... Is it... We're creating... Oh, it's not here. Never mind. It's in the world instance, I think. It's over here. Where is it? Wait a minute. No, it has to be somewhere. Okay, character, add character. New character controller with a character. Okay, where is this called? Ah, it's in the world state. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Here we go. Create random character. This is what we want. There we go. Okay. So, it's not the faction that we want to switch. Well, it is the faction. But also... Yeah, okay. We're gonna do this a little differently. So, yeah, okay. So, int... int sprite ID. That took way too long to so if faction, no, wait a minute, it's gonna be faction plus, oh, I can actually do that right here. Hold on. Weapon is weapon. Yeah. And we don't do it in the constructor. No. Get out. So, int weapon is going to be the procedural random. Oops, not that one. A range. So from 1 to 2. So it's gonna be faction plus weapon, the spread ID. So like, faction 0 is us. So this has to go 1 up. So this is gonna be like, hold up. So 1, 2. Oh, there are 2 2s. Damn it, no. I can't do that. Okay. I'll have to do this another way. Hold up. So, if faction... No, actually, can we do a switch within a switch? I don't think we can. So let's just do this. If faction is 0, if weapon... no, sprite ID is going to be weapon. That's it. So 1 is going to be the wizard. So 1 is the wizard, 2 is the woman, 3 and 4 is the man, and this is sprite ID. Okay, good. Let's put a comma here. All right. So sprite ID is not going to be that. Sprite ID is going to be 0 for starters. So else sprite ID is going to be 2 plus weapon. There we go. That's it. So if faction is 1, which is the enemies, it's going to be either a wizard eagle if it's range 1, or a man if it's range 2. Okay, good. So now all we need to do is, in our combat, instead of all of those things that tell us the range is 1, which should be around here during combat, here, for example, I did mark it, so with to-dos. So there's a to-do here, so it's probably here. Isn't it? Wait a minute, it is here, isn't it? Which line is this? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's... Oh god, this is so confusing. Why is this smart? Oh, I see. This is not this. Never mind. Okay. So this is gonna be, instead of 1, this is gonna be actor, character, weapon. Actually, let's make that weapon range. Yeah, that's a bit better. There we go. And now we do that the same over on our player, which is down here. There we go. So instead of this, character, weapon range. There we go. And I think those are the only spots I need, unless range. Nothing? Really? Really? Okay. I'll take that as a vote of good confidence. A vote of confidence on my end that it's fine. Let's see, what do we get? Oh, we actually got 2 ranged characters. Good. They don't have ranged characters. Oh, they do. There's 1 ranged character over there. Let's see what he does. So this is a ranged character because it has the sprite of a woman. If I click this, it's still marking these, which it shouldn't. Wait a minute. I'm probably... When I'm getting this... Right. Okay. So that should be that. Why isn't it working? I'll have to figure that one out. I got 2 ranged characters. Oh, my ranged characters are so far. Oh, he actually attacked from range. Okay, so the attacks are working from range. Okay, so that's good. The problem is, let's retreat, because I want the ranged characters to be next to someone. But the ranged characters are working correctly, so that's good. Okay, click. But it's showing this. That is weird. Click. Huh. I wasn't expecting that at all. She is going to stop there, but she is going to path towards the thing. What? Interesting. So it's kind of working correctly, but the visuals are not correct. So let's see what's up with that. So this is correct. Interesting. Okay, let's make it a small test, see if this is supposed to happen like that. Because during gameplay, it's fine, but it's just not. Oops. We don't need that, so I'll just keep on going. Okay, this is a ranged character. I'm gonna click a guy. So the attack options. Yeah, this is kind of big for that. To check if the exact positions are correct. But let's just test one. See if it's correct. Okay, she's at, or the target is at 8.5. So 8.4 is not a correct thing. 7.4, 8.5, 7.4. So that is correct. Interesting. So the attack options, which come from up here, I believe. Where's this getting set? Wait a minute. Ah, it's here. No, this is wrong. Okay, found it. Found it. Weapon range. There we go. Okay, let's actually search for something even dumber than that. Ah, what is this? Right, here we go. Here's another one that we need to take care of. Actor. Dot character dot weapon range. There we go. So that's that. Get neighbors, that is correct. Get neighbors, that is also correct. Get neighbors, yes. Okay. Yeah, everything else seems to be good. Get neighbor positions, yes, and get neighbors. Okay, good. So that's it, I think. That's the last one that we needed to check. I keep forgetting that. Okay, combat. We do have ranged characters. Here they are, and one is right next. Which one is it? It's this one. So I can attack this guy. I think I'm in range of that one. Let's stay where you are. Attack. Go. Good. Can't reach that guy, but I can go down here. it'll just stay where you are. It's fine. He can reach me and he attacks me. That's fine. Okay, good enough. He's gonna attack her because she's closest, I think. Okay. Moment of truth. There we go. Okay, we have all these options to attack the guy, including the one where I'm at. So it makes all... These are all options that I can take to attack the guy. Let's attack from here. Attack. Okay, cool. So we can even make, like, snipers that go, like, from 3 range and just shoot people from, like, the other edge of the map. So that's cool. Okay, so he's attacking from here, but I can also attack from here or from here. Let's do that. Let's attack from up. And attack. Okay, okay. I think this is fun. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. All right, I think we're good. Okay, so tomorrow, there's a lot of stuff still to do, but tomorrow I'll probably work with cleaning this whole thing. Like, letting the player know exactly the limits of where I can go. Because, like, yeah, this is really confusing. Like, I don't even know where I can go. And I really should, because otherwise... Yeah, I can get there because of this guy and stuff like that. But yeah, tomorrow I'll probably work on that. All right. Cool, cool. Okay. Yeah. I'm probably gonna end it here for today. It's been quite a while, but we did a lot of stuff, so it's pretty cool. Now, let me check who am I going to raid today, because that is also important. Oh! Okay, there is someone that is on. You probably know who he is. Oh, I totally... Vision Link, thank you. Thank you for the follow. I totally missed it. I'm so sorry. I don't know if you're still here, but if you are, thank you. Thank you for the follow. I completely missed it. I must have been like super engrossed in something. I need to set up like some sound alarms or something like that. I'll take care of that in the weekend so I don't miss any more of those things. Okay, I think I found out someone who we're going to raid. You probably know the guy. I've never raided him before, but you probably know about Hemply from Baba Is You. I'm going to raid him because he is pretty cool. And from what I see, he's playing Into the Breach because he made it like a very cutesy Baba game, which is very close to Into the Breach. So he's probably like in the mood for games like that. So we're gonna raid him. We're gonna raid him because he does pretty nice stuff and you should go all check him out. Thank you so much for being here today, everybody. I will be back tomorrow, same as usual. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around and for watching me do all of this stuff. And yeah, tomorrow we will be back. So I'm going to jump you on over to Hemply. Hopefully you enjoy his stream because he is a pretty chill guy. And yeah, thank you so much, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye. And now let's go raid. A raid has been created. We're getting there. Bye, Joel. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's go get him. Bye, everybody.